Have you ever wondered why we exist? Or what is the nature of reality? These are the questions that have kept philosophers awake at night for centuries. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of philosophy, exploring its origins and evolution over the ages. Let's journey back to the bustling markets of ancient Athens, where philosophy was born. The ancient Greeks, particularly Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle, laid the groundwork for Western philosophy. Socrates, known for his Socratic method of inquiry, focused on ethical concepts, encouraging people to question everything. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, a time when philosophy intertwined with Christianity. St. Augustine and St. Thomas Aquinas are notable figures who combined Greek philosophical principles with Christian theology. Augustine's philosophies on free will and divine grace, and Aquinas' synthesis of Aristotelian philosophy with Christian thought, shaped the course of Western religion and philosophy. The Renaissance period saw a rebirth of classical Greek and Roman ideas, with philosophers like Machiavelli, Erasmus, and more discussing humanism, political theory, and utopian ideals. Meanwhile, the scientific revolution brought about a new era of philosophical thought, with Descartes, Spinoza, and Leibniz pioneering rationalism, a belief in reason as the primary source of knowledge. Then came the Enlightenment, a golden age for philosophy. Philosophers like Locke, Hume, and Kant explored empiricism and skepticism, questioning the nature of human understanding and the limits of knowledge. This period also saw the rise of political philosophy, with Rousseau, Voltaire, and Adam Smith discussing society, government, and economics. In the 19th and 20th centuries, philosophy continued to evolve and diversify. German philosophers like Hegel, Marx, Nietzsche, and Heidegger explored dialectics, existentialism, and phenomenology. Meanwhile, the Anglo-American world saw the rise of analytic philosophy, with philosophers like Russell, Moore, and Wittgenstein focusing on logic, language, and the philosophy of mind. Today, philosophy continues to thrive, with contemporary philosophers exploring everything from the nature of consciousness to the ethics of artificial intelligence. So what have we learned from this whirlwind tour of philosophical history? We've seen that philosophy is a dynamic, ever-evolving field that has shaped and been shaped by the societies and cultures in which it has developed. From the metaphysical inquiries of the ancient Greeks to the ethical dilemmas of the modern age, philosophy continues to challenge us, to provoke us, and to offer new ways of understanding our world. Remember, philosophy isn't just about abstract theories and complex jargon. It's about questioning, debating, and seeking truth. It's about understanding the world and our place in it. No matter who you are or where you come from, philosophy has something to offer you. So the next time you find yourself pondering the big questions in life, remember, you're in good company. You're part of a rich, diverse, and ongoing philosophical tradition that stretches back thousands of years. And who knows, maybe you'll be the one to answer some of those questions that have baffled philosophers for centuries.